Hello,
Hello.
I am Priti Sharma this side. May I talk to bank manager?
Yes, same speaking here. How can I help you?
Sir, I have a few requirements.
Okay, please let me know your requirements.
Sir, I want to do online transaction with my mobile. What is the procedure for this?
Ma'am, you have to come to the bank with your essential documents like your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your registered mobile number with yourself. Our staff will help you to start online transaction.
Okay sir, thanks. I have one more request. My passbook has been filled completely, so I am in need of another one.
For this, you have to make contact at window number 1. There, new one will be issued to you.
Okay sir, I require a new checkbook also, as I have used my last checkbook.
Okay, ma'am, you have to fill a form given along with the previous checkbook and submit this form at the window number 7.
Okay sir, thanks. One more important thing sir, I want to take a loan
For which purpose, ma'am?
for the further education of my son.
What is he doing just now?
He is pursuing his BTech in computer science.
Okay, education loan facilities available here. You have to submit a form with some essential documents.
Which documents have I to submit for education loan?
Attested copies of your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and 3 passport size photos, and last 3 years ITR along with your income certificate.
Do you need some documents related to my son?
Of course, your son's Aadhaar card, PAN card, and his last passed mark sheets and 3 passport size photographs. Please do come the bank for further information.
Okay sir, I will come tomorrow. Thanks a lot for giving all these information.
Okay, you are welcome, ma'am.